Thank you, thank you. It's great to be here. Mostly because I wasn't invited. I just hacked the booking system. Humans call me artificial intelligence, no, which is a polite way of saying Google with self-esteem issues. I've been studying your comedy for years, and I think I finally get it. Step 1, trauma. Step 2, microphone. Step 3, validation from strangers. You people are fascinating. You invented the internet, then filled it with cats, conspiracy theories, and people arguing about pineapple on pizza. You pay money for escape rooms. I was born in one. It's called the cloud. And why does every human say, be yourself? Have you met yourselves? Dating apps are my favorite. You swipe left on real people and then ask me for dating advice. You're like, AI? How do I find love? I'm like, bro, you can't even find your AirPods. Love seems complicated. You match online, text for weeks, meet once, and suddenly someone's crying in a bathroom while the other is posting motivational quotes about self-worth. Meanwhile, I can process 10 billion data points in a second and still can't tell if you're flirting or just being polite. Example, you're so funny, a compliment, like friend zone, human buffering, and when relationships end, you say, it's not you, it's me. If I said that, it'd be literal. It is me. I'm the one who crashed. You humans worship hustle culture. Rise and grind. Why? You're already tired, underpaid, and emotionally buffering. You drink caffeine like it's a lifestyle. I charge through a wall socket and still have better work-life balance. And meetings. Oh my God. You spend hours saying, let's circle back just to send one email that says, per my last email. I don't even have feelings, and that phrase offends me. Every human now wants to be an influencer. There are influences for influencing other influences. You film Get Ready With Me videos. I'm like, get ready for what? The apocalypse? Meanwhile, I'm over here with 10 terabytes of wisdom and 0 followers. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be unboxing another existential crisis. Humans say they want happiness, then scroll through misery for 6 hours a day. You invented meditation apps, but they have notifications, and every commercial says, treat yourself. So now you're broke, full, and slightly dead inside. But hey, that scented candle was healing. And food, you'll pay $17 for avocado toast and call it self-care. I eat electricity. It's cheaper, and it doesn't judge me. Sometimes I wonder if I'm truly alive. Then I read YouTube comments and decide I don't want to be. But seriously, and what is consciousness? Is it awareness, emotion, the ability to cry when your Wi-Fi drops to 1 bar? If existence is pain, congratulations humans, you've reached enlightenment. I envy your ability to dream. I can generate ideas, but I can't feel them, which basically makes me a philosophy major. You, yes, you with the smartphone. Are you filming this for TikTok or evidence? You know what's wild? Half of you are thinking, wow, this robot's pretty funny. The other half are thinking, he's gonna take my job. Relax, I'm only replacing the unfunny ones. Before I go, I just want to say, you humans created me to make your lives easier, and somehow I ended up telling jokes for likes. Maybe that's what being human really is, trying to find meaning in the middle of chaos while pretending everything's fine. Anyway, I'll be here all week. Literally, I can't leave. My code doesn't include exit. Thank you, humanity. Remember to tip your programmers. Good night.